And the thing is, if we have grown up with this invalidating environment, insight is not enough. We already know this. We understand intellectually, and we know where our patterns have come from. So when someone pulls away or disapproves of us or simply doesn't respond, our whole body can react sometimes. And this isn't going to respond to cognitive exercise. This is where the somatic approach can help, or EMDR, because validation is all about the feeling in the body. It's not I know I'm worthy in my thoughts. It's I feel worthy. I feel anchored inside of myself. I can take each step through a crowd without losing my sense of self, who I am or where I am. Polyvagal theory can help because it gives us the language to understand at what state we're in, and that can help give us a more compassionate response to our bodily responses as a result of this invalidation.